So just do it!
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be discussing online businesses, lucrative online businesses that you can start even from home and be making money with it. The question is, some people may ask, can you really make money online? Can one actually make money online? In fact, it is not a new thing anymore. Most of you know that people are already making money online. There are so many online ideas that people are applying on daily basis, making money with it. So don't be left behind in this trend that is going on now. Make sure you are part of it. Many people have phones, different sophisticated gadgets that should be making them legitimate money online. But some people, maybe they don't have the idea, maybe they don't know how, or perhaps some of them don't have the money that can aid them in making that money. But one thing you should know, that most times making money online does not really require much capital. All you need is just the right idea, the right direction, and the right thing to do at a particular time that will aid you in making that money. In this particular video, I'll be bringing out some of the ideas, some of the things that you can actually do and earn money with it, even with your phone or with your laptop. As long as that your phone can enter the internet, you can make money. So follow me guys, watch to the end. Let me show you some of the lucrative online businesses that you can do and make money. All you need to do is check out any of them that will work best for you and become a partaker of this. Just moving, before you know it, you start making the same money that they're making. Number one business that one can do online is by becoming a blogger. Do you have passion in writing? If you can write, if you have passion in writing stories and writing things, then you can become a blogger. All you just need is your phone. Okay, you have a website. It can even be a WordPress website where you will be posting your blogs, and with time you monetize that website and you start making money just by posting things, events, things that are happening, posting them online, and people come to read it. Before you know it, you start running Google ads on the website and you start making money with it. And the truth is, you can even build one of these websites with even 50,000. Okay, you can build a WordPress website. Number two thing that you can do and make money online is by selling a product. Okay, having an online digital product. Don't necessarily need to have those products. Okay, you can get the product online as long as you can get them when people demand for it. You can go to shops that you want to market their product. Okay, so you can advertise this product in either your WhatsApp, your Instagram, or any of your social media handle. When you advertise this product, people buy the product and you make commission from it. One of the ways to sell this digital product online is by setting up an online store. They call it dropship, where you set up an online store and add product there. People come to the website or to the store and order for any product that they need. Another way to make money online is by starting a YouTube channel. You can become a content creator. You can do anything on YouTube, and by the time you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize your channel and start making money with it. All you just need to do is, what can you do? What can you offer? Okay, you can offer that by creating a YouTube channel. It can be teaching, it can be content, it can be comedy. It's not necessarily just which niche can you go into. It can even be sports news. You understand? It can even be sport news. It can be anything. You can create a YouTube channel and start uploading videos. Before you know it, you can monetize that channel and start making money. Another way to make money is by selling online books. Okay, there are platforms where you can sell online books, and there are platforms where you can download these books, edit one of the things you want to edit, and if you're a student, you can even sell handouts. Okay, you can sell it could be story books. You can sell books online. In fact, if you have not heard about Amazon KDP, Amazon KDP. You can make money by selling books online. The way that you can also make money in online is by trading forex and stock. Although a very risky business, but it's worth doing if you can cool down and learn it. What I do, I teach people, I train people on forex trading and also crypto trading. Okay, if you're interested to learn how to trade more, how to make money trading forex or crypto, you can comment on the session, or you can join my group chat where I teach people. Okay, and believe me, by the time you cool down and learn it, there is no way you will not be cashing out some money at the end of the week. Okay. Now, another way you can still make money online is by working remotely for companies abroad. You can become a software engineer. If you don't know how to code, you can learn. We have places like ALX that offer you free coding. They teach you how to code, how to become a software engineer. You can become a freelancer. You can, there's so many of them: software engineering, freelancer, data analysts, a lot of it. If you don't have these skills, you can learn them. They are everywhere online. You can even get such skills online. You can get it in Udemy and become good in it. You can work up. If you learn any of these things, you can work for companies while you are anywhere you are. Okay, you can work remotely and be making money with it. All you need to do is identify what you have passion with for, what you can do, learn it and start doing it. Believe me, you are going to make money with it at the end of the day. There are so many people that are building websites, that are managing companies' websites. They are software engineers. They're making a whole lot of money. Okay. Then, if you are a social media person, that is somebody who is always online, you have a whole lot of followers on Instagram, TikTok, and all that, then you can become an influencer. Okay. This one is not difficult. All you need to do is do things, create content that will make people follow you on any of these social media platforms. And when you have a very good number of followers, you start making money. You become an influencer, and start making money with it. You don't need to be a graduate for you to do any of these things that I've mentioned now. Okay, the only limit you have is you. So don't limit yourself. Find out what you can do and start doing it. Okay, and consistency is also one of the things that will help you. Now, let's talk about this particular one that is very interesting: affiliate marketing. Okay, affiliate marketing is, you don't have a product but you want to sell that product. It can be online. You can even join Gigi or Jumia. Okay, copy a link from them, or Konga, copy or any other website that you can get a link of their product. Now go and advertise that product. Anybody that clicks on that link and buys that product, you have a commission from it. Okay, and there are so many ways you can even try to maybe run ads on those links so that you reach higher number of people, and as many people click on that link and buy that product, then you'll be getting commission from it. You'll be getting commissions from it. Okay, that is what affiliate marketing is. You don't really need to have it. If it can still be physical, that you like those people doing selling shoes, they don't have it but they advertise it. When people buy, they make their money. That is affiliate marketing. So to create an online business, you need to focus. You need to be consistent in whatever niche that you want to go into. Just think about that thing that you want to do. Think about that product that you can sell, or think about that problem that you can solve. And believe me, you start making money with it. It's not something that will make you rich immediately, but believe me, with time, you start making money. So I have outlined things that you can do and make money online. All you need to do is please watch this video over and over again. Find a niche and start something today. I'll be dropping different videos on how to start some of these things I've mentioned, and I also maybe share links, share sites that you can do them and make money from it. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on your bell notification so that when I upload videos, you'll be able to see them on time. Okay, because I'll be dropping opportunities that you can use to make money. I'll also be dropping videos on how to trade cryptocurrency, on how to trade forex and making money through these businesses. So follow me, subscribe to my channel please, and share to friends, share to your groups, share this video so that it will get to people, because you may actually be helping somebody by doing that. Thank you for joining me. God bless.